Hey guys, today we're going to be learning about when patents got started. Hi, I'm JD Houvener, founder and owner here at Bold Patents Law Firm, also a patent attorney, and the author of Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents. I've helped thousands of inventors over the years, and I've also gotten over 300 patents issued for those clients. I'm excited to talk about this little bit of a history lesson here today. And I do want to give some credit to the law firm Wilson Gunn, which I did pull some of this information from. So patents, there's actually a little bit of evidence to show that, way back when in ancient Greek, that the cities actually used some sort of patent system. But in more, recent history, going way back to 1474, there was the first patent issued to 1421 to Filippo Brunelleschi, an Italian inventor back in Florence. If you've ever visited that area, the super famous, cathedrals they would put together. And so he had been given a patent to be the only one that's allowed the exclusive rights to basically transport these super heavy, pieces of slab marble along the Arno River for the construction of the Florence Cathedral. And so for 3 years, he was given all this, being the only one able to have this specific type of raft or boat, which he called Tu Badalone. And this was the Venetian Republic said, you know what? We like this idea that as long as you tell us how to make this boat or raft or craft, how you're going to bring these heavy marble or slab, we're going to give you an exclusive right to be the only one that can have this mode of transportation of heavy marble type substances for a certain period of time. Now, the 20-year monopoly, which is where we actually are now in U.S. patent law, fast forwarding to 2024, that actually started back in 1449 in England. They locked in. They liked the idea of 20 years, and that stuck, right? Almost over 600 years later. So it's incredible the duration of that. So England is definitely where the U.S. founders thought and heard of, and why we incorporated that into the U.S. Constitution in 1776. And it's in Article 1, Section 8, Clause 8. Go look it up. Article 1 of the Constitution, Section 8, talks about protecting for new inventions, new discoveries, for giving exclusive rights. And that does mean a limited monopoly to those inventors that are willing to share and explain how they made these new inventions. And that law really is the basis for what we have today. The idea is we don't want to have secrets or clubs or individuals owning, in a way, this knowledge. And there's no real motivation for them to share that trade secret unless they do get protection from the government, right, for that limited amount of time. And that's the exchange from the patent office, right? You tell us, inventor, Mr. and Ms. Inventor, what you've come up with, and the government's going to give you that monopoly exchange. So going back to our history here, we do have to thank the Italians. So if you ever make it to Italy and Florence, which was one of my favorite stops along Italy, think about Mr. Brunelleschi, right? And how he was able to work with the Venetian Republic, the Venetian government, to get that very first patent. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the little history lesson today. I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Have a great day, everybody. Go big, go bold.